Well guys, we have a break in the temperature today. It's +2 at 9:30 a.m. I can't ask for anything else nicer than that on a day like today. We have a gentleman here taking parts off this Civic. I was planning to let a buddy derby this Civic, but then some guy gave me $100 for the ECM, so unfortunately it can't be derbied. But we have a winter demolition derby coming up. Actually, we have 2 winter demolition derbies coming up with 2 different companies. The Accord is probably going to go to 1 because I need a whole bunch of parts out of it for the mini meltdown car. But now here's option 2. We just got this Elantra. This thing has like 0 rust and it's pretty cool. That's not really cool, to be honest. It's got 420,000 kilometers on it. It's been sitting a while, but it's manual. I love my manual cars. Now, for the 420,000 K on this thing runs like a champ. So, this could be option number A. And like, when I say runs like a champ, like, I parked out there when there was like 1.5 feet of ice. So it was like, back into that spot with no hesitation. And option 2 is this Pontiac Vibe. Now, I don't know if a lot of you guys know what Pontiac Vibes are. Let's see if it says it on here. But they're actually Toyotas. This is basically a Toyota Matrix, which is a glorified Toyota Corolla. So these are my 2 options. Now, this one's already kind of half stripped. When I say half stripped, I mean like the interior is still fully here. Is that battery still good in this thing? Like, my God, it's a quarter down there. So I was told that this thing is pretty rusty on the bottom side. Now here is the dilemma as well. This thing here is a Cavalier bolt pattern 5x100. This one here is a Camry bolt pattern, which is 5x114. This one here looks like it'd be a little bit easier to get out than this one. But this one here is just going to be a very stock demolition derby car. I don't know, this one's kind of half stripped and that one there is not too bad. And this one here, the battery's good in, but I have the snow in front of it. So you got to do your pluses and minuses. What are you guys thinking? Are you thinking the baby blue or the missing the parts? I got a decision to make. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it today or tomorrow, but we do have a decision to make. We had to use the Walden to lift the Vibe out, but so we have Eddie here now. So the last Winter Derby, Eddie derbied an Elantra, and what place did you come with that Elantra? Third. Was it automatic or manual?
It was auto, fuck off.
So what happened to it?
It caught fire.
Why did it catch?
The fan kissed the exhaust.
So Eddie's thinking that he wants to try another Elantra, and this thing here needs brakes, and Eddie says he doesn't want to do brakes, but realistically, look how easy it is to cap off the rears right there.
Camry.
Yeah, you just cap off the rears and then rebleed the fronts. And it's already has stripped, and well, start this thing up and drive it up to the caliber there, would you, Eddie?
It's got an e-brake, that's what you're hearing.
Yeah, it does have an e-brake. Hold on a second. Let's see if we can kind of make this thing strip itself. We just take this and we just tuck it right in there like that. Okay, drive ahead. There we go. Strip yourself. Strip it. Ooh, hold it. Let's do the other side. Stop. Got to put it neutral, Eddie. Ah, this one's already come off. Okay, drive up. Is the brake still on?
No.
Okay, go backwards. Okay, go forward. Oh, try backing up again. Keep going, keep going. Okay, forward, forward. Okay, back up. You got this. Okay, you. Okay, reverse. You got to keep it, get it rocking, buddy. Okay, hold on. I guess I'll start the Elantra. So we're just going to strip this thing here. Eddie's already started. Gentle, Eddie. You don't want to scratch the paint. Break your hand. How'd that feel?
I forgot it's not Subaru.
So we're going to be, we don't have to really worry about the fender or the hood, but we're just going to give it a quick strip and see how far we get here within the next 30 minutes. My plan is just to leave this thing pretty much 100% bone stock, just maybe loop the lines. I don't even think I'm going to change the bumper, but we're going to see what we can do to this thing. Not really too energetic right now, kind of getting off of sickness, so we'll see how far we can get.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em.
So we did a little bit of work to her today. Eddie came back early. I woke up extremely hungover, so just working on it slowly. Got all the windows out of it. I got the airbags out of it. And then Eddie showed up and said, I want to derby this Elantra. I think those were his exact words. So then the whole front of the car just mysteriously just fell off. So I don't know what happened there. So you guys might get a twofer here. So this thing here has extremely high K, but runs like a champ. Now it is manual. Eddie, what is your skills with manual like? On a scale of 1 to 10.
2.
2. He drove it to where it's sitting right now, but for something that has 440,000 K on it, this thing is extremely clean. Inside, I think it's got child locks on. Inside and out.
The back doors are locked.
Oh, yeah, extremely clean for 400 and some odd thousand on it. Like
438.
438,000 kilometers on it, and this car looks like this. This guy took care of his cars, I'll tell you that. But yeah, Eddie's starting to strip it, and this runs Camry bolt pattern, so he's got doubles for it, he's got 15s. The Vibe, we're going to be starting to do, getting some stuff done to it here now, but we'll try to make Eddie's videos a little bit different. So his is an Elantra, mine's a Vibe. If the day of the event comes and Eddie says he doesn't feel comfortable driving the manual, I'll take over the Elantra and he'll take over the automatic Vibe.